Okay, we have another problem here, which is log 4x minus plus 1 base 3 minus log 3x minus 5, and this is in base 3 all equals to 1. So we want to see how we can resolve this one. Remember, there is a law in indices, that logarithm, that if you have log a minus log b, the answer we will express it as log open bracket a divided by b. So this law will apply it here. So by applying this one here, so we will have this to be log 3 open bracket 4x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 5 close bracket. This will give us the same thing as log 3 base 3, because log 3 base 3, according to this log, a base a is equals to 1. So log 3 base 3 is in place of this. So when we get this one, it means that this will go with this one, whereby we are left with 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 5 equals to 3. So when we have this, we'll balance the other side with 1 so that we can cross multiply. We cross multiply so that this will give us 3 open bracket 3x minus 5 equal to 4x plus 1 all in bracket multiplied by 1. So we expand this time, this will give us 9x minus 15 equals to 4x plus 1. So this one, the next thing we'll do is to collect like terms. We collect like terms, we have 9x minus 4x, because this is plus. When it comes here, it will be minus. This is minus, goes there, it will be plus, so 1 plus 15. This minus this will give us, when we subtract this, we will have 5x equals to 16. So on getting this one, we divide both sides by 5 so that our x will be 16 divided by 5, which will give us 3 all over 1 over 5 as our final answer. So this is how we solve this one. Make sure you subscribe and also comment, like the page. Thank you very much.